Pop-Pop's bees, funny bug bees and woodworks. We're gonna see if we can get them to walk in this box. We just had 14 cases of these Acorn frames, heavy wax frames, delivered today. And that's what he's put in here. I'm gonna tell you what, you can smell the wax on these things. It smells strong. So we're gonna see if we can, I'm gonna tell you, it smells just like you're rendering wax in the shop. This wax smells so strong. And apparently they like it because they're going down in there checking them frames out. It's a swarm, so we've given them 10 brand new frames. Gonna let them do their thing. And they're programmed to draw wax, so guess what? We're gonna let them draw wax. We always try to do this and then we get impatient and end up shaking them. He's already getting a little jittery. He wants to shake them already. I know he does. Do what?
Go in the box.
Go in the box. Sometimes if you talk real sweet to them, it helps, I guess.
Go in the box.
They're walking on down.
You want to live in that box.
You want to live in that box. He's convinced them. I don't know how much good of a realtor he makes. And you can see him going on in.
Housekeepers come in and clean up the trash.
Trying to build value.
Get rid of mics for you.
Rob you blind. Shh. It's a rough neighborhood, man. They be stealing around here. I know you want to do it. Go ahead and do it. Just make it count. Get queen. Here we go, folks. Yeah. Maybe the queen will stay. You want to take a couple of them frames out?
I don't know.
Give the ball somewhere to go. Here, hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. We'll rob the side frames and split them down the middle.
There's a bunch of them already going down in the box.
Oh, there's a bunch of bees in there now. They like the smell of that.
It's just a matter of getting the rest of them together.
Mama ain't in there because they ain't fanning yet. All right, go ahead. Bump. Oh yeah, good bump. They're not eating us up. That's a good thing. Nice gentle bees. Nice gentle bees. Get your frames.
Looking for queen down there in that bowl. They're moving.
All those bees. A lot of movement. We're looking for a marked queen because that'll tell us if she's ours, of course.
She's definitely in there. They're fanning her too.
They're fanning as hard as they can go. I'm not seeing her. See how they just covered that frame right up? Oh yeah, everything in there is covered right this minute. I know you can hear them. Yeah, they're all over them frames.
The question is whether or not they're going to steal the wax off of them and take off.
Hopefully not. Get them other frames back in.
These can and will do this.
Yes, they will. All right, we're just.
Gee, thanks for all the wax you just gave us. Bye.
We're gonna gently set them back in the box and let them get to work. They're fanning, so we know the queen's in there. Alrighty, they're doing some fanning. That means mama's in there. Butts in the air. Sit out here till dark, and then we'll put them in a new spot, a new home, nice new screen cover. So they got plenty of. Now he put this with the notch up, so when we move them, we don't have to worry about them coming out, because these may very well go to his house. Right, get the top on for you. All right, top's on. Took 5 minutes. Would have took longer than that if we'd been patient and let them walk in, but you know,
They weren't very aggressive.
we have no patience and they're not real aggressive. They shake the rest of them off. Get the smell of mama off of the branch. So they know she's in there. I think this video kind of makes up for the video where I got my butt tore up on the side of Highway 17. That's most swarms. So, you know, you got to make up for the bloopers, although y'all thoroughly enjoyed the bloopers. And we got a lot of views on that. Pop Pops Bees, Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks. Please like and subscribe. Y'all have a good day.